Hello users of Renderfix. Today I'm going to present the new features of CoreFinder which were requested by the users and we just released it. The first feature is stripped rendering. Some people call it tiled rendering. It's basically when you have a big picture to render and you want to divide this picture across the multiple PCs, or you just want to divide this picture in terms of performance. So you should have the latest version of CoreFinder, and then you click our button here and you just need to check this checkbox here, stripped rendering. Auto stitch means that it will stitch automatically when all the tiles are rendered. We can set here tile count. You can set whatever you see it suited for you. I will do just 4 and save to CoreFinder. And here it appears and it will look like this. From here you can control those settings about stripped rendering we set in 3ds Max. Other PCs already started rendering and they must output at first part of the renders strips here and they will stitch it. So what they are outputting, this is the top part of the image. There will be 4 parts of this image before they will be stitched, and they are here also divided into 4 parts as we set here tile count. Remember, for now you cannot use tiled rendering on animations. You only use it on single images. Now as you see, there are 2 stripes rendered already. Now 4 tiles are rendered and we wait for stitching process. It may take a few seconds. And as you can see, this is the final image which is stitched together. For this feature, that's it. The next feature is Corona distributed rendering. To use that, we should push our button and we should check these 2 checkboxes, distributed rendering and search LAN during render. I recommend to set this true because during the render, when you switch up new computers, they will automatically be added to your rendering process. In order other computers to be the slaves of this rendering process, we should switch their start Corona spawner. We should push here. And as you see, Corona spawner started. And I will do this on the second PC also. Start Corona spawner and spawner has started. Now I will just change the time of the render and yeah, that's it. The main computer should not have the start Corona spawner. The main computer which must start rendering of this should have this active. Now I activated that and distributed rendering should start. You can also see distributed rendering settings here. Now when your rendering will start, you can go to the DR tab and you can see that those 2 computers we turned on, DR spawner, they are joined here and they are rendering this image together. And we can also check this with those computers. Status is rendering, so this is rendering and let's go here. And here is also status rendering. You can also view logs like this, and that's it for the distributed rendering. The next feature is online monitoring system. So we should go to renderfix.io and to the dashboard. And here we can see tasks and machines. And then to go tasks, and you should choose here the repository you want to monitor. For example, now we have Bekura repo 2 and here we have these tasks. Now I will show you when you click command on the web-based application, action is taken locally. As you see, it was resumed. And I can also now pause this task and it's paused here. So you are controlling CoreFinder tasks from web. And you can also control the machines. Let's go to the machines, and as we can see, Alpha and Neo Bekura are online and Sandro PCs on Corona spawner mode. So that's it for this feature. Write your recommendations, write us how you are using it and if it's helping you, and see you next time.